Do 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 do. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a unboxing iPhone video, and you will see it. Boom, boom. It will arrive here tomorrow. And once it arrives tomorrow, I will pick up the camera again and I will show it off. Alright, let's go. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and the phone is arriving. It's almost here. I'm just waiting till 4:30 to get it and unbox it, and I will record that process. Alright, so this is the end of the video. I know I said I am going to do an unboxing, but I just decided not to, just do the unboxing for myself. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.